Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add your Google account on WhatsApp for backup. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Firstly, open the WhatsApp. So then click on three dot on the top right corner. So after this click on setting. So after this here you can see chat, so just click on it, and then you can see chat backup, so just click on it. So after this you can see Google account, so click on it. So here you can see your Google account, so you can select anyone according to you. So after selecting, so you can see the Google account is added. So guys, in this way you can add a Google account on WhatsApp for backup. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.